Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to forward received documents on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. This new version makes managing and sharing your files much easier, so let's go through it together. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the web page and scanning the QR code from your mobile WhatsApp. Once it loads, you'll see the familiar interface showing your chats on the left side. Now, look to the left side menu where you'll notice a new media icon. Click on it. This is where WhatsApp now organizes all your shared content photos, videos, links, and of course, documents. It's a quick and organized way to access everything you've received or sent. Next, select the Docs tab. Here you'll find all the documents you've received from your contacts, PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, and more. The new layout makes it much simpler to browse and locate any file you want to forward. Once you're inside the Docs section, click on the sort icon at the top of the window. A small menu will appear. Choose Others to view documents from various contacts or groups without limiting your results to a single chat. This is especially helpful if you frequently receive files from multiple sources. After that, click on the Select icon near the top of the screen. You'll now be able to highlight multiple documents at once. Choose all the docs you wish to forward. Once your selection is ready, click on the Forward icon. It looks like a curved arrow pointing to the right. Finally, choose the recipients you want to send the documents to. You can select one person, a group, or several contacts at once. Once you've made your selection, hit send, and that's it. Your chosen documents will now be forwarded instantly. This update really streamlines the process and saves time, especially for work or study files. Thanks for watching.